Welcome to Science Easy Tech channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about mental health nursing question paper for BSc Nursing third year students. This question paper was taken from Dr. NTR University of Health Sciences, Vijayawada, Andhra Pradesh in the year November 2017. Before moving on to the question paper, if you are new to Science Easy Tech channel, just take a moment to subscribe our channel and also to press the notification bell icon in order to get connected with our latest updates. Let's move on to the question paper. The question paper code is 343. BSc Nursing Degree Examination November 2017 third year 4YDC program Mental Health Nursing New Scheme. The maximum marks allotted is 75 marks. Time allotted is 3 hours. Answer the following questions. Write an essay on any two of the following. So here they will be giving 3 questions. Out of those 3 questions you have to answer only 2. 2 into 15 is equal to 30 marks. First question, discuss the preventive psychiatry and the role of psychiatric nurse in primary prevention. Discuss the role of preventive psychiatry and the role of psychiatric nurse in primary prevention. So you have to discuss about preventive psychiatry as well as the role of a psychiatric nurse in primary prevention. So this question carries 15 marks. In second question, you have two options A and B. So 2A is describe the clinical manifestations of paranoid schizophrenia, which is for 5 marks. 2A is describe the clinical manifestations of paranoid schizophrenia, which is for 5 marks. And 2B explain the medical and nursing management of a patient suffering from paranoid schizophrenia. 2B is explain the medical and nursing management of a patient suffering from paranoid schizophrenia, which is for 10 marks. So 5 plus 10 is equal to 15 marks. Third question, 3A, explain the various psychiatric emergencies. 3A, explain the various psychiatric emergencies, which is for 7 marks. 3B, explain the management of anyone. 3B, explain the management of anyone, 8 marks. So 7 plus 8 is equal to 15 marks. So out of these 3, answer any 2. 2 into 15, 30 marks. Next, moving on to short notes, that is 5 mark questions. Here they will be giving 7 questions. Out of those 7 questions, you have to answer 5. Each question carries 5 marks. 5 into 5 is equal to 25 marks. Fourth question, rights of mentally ill patient. Fourth question, rights of mentally ill patient. Fifth question, history taking in psychiatry. Fifth question, history taking in psychiatry. Sixth question, mood stabilizers. Sixth question is mood stabilizers. Seventh question, nurses responsibilities in electroconvulsive therapy. Nurses responsibilities in electroconvulsive therapy. Eighth question, admission procedure in mental hospital. Eighth question, admission procedure in mental hospital. Ninth question, anorexia nervosa. Ninth question, anorexia nervosa. Tenth question, nursing intervention for a patient with delirium. Tenth question, nursing intervention for a patient with delirium. Next, write brief answers on the following. So 10 into 2 is equal to 20 marks. 11th question, define dementia. 12th question, list down any 4 therapeutic communication techniques with its meaning. So 11th question is define dementia. 12th question, list down any 4 therapeutic communication techniques with its meaning. 13th question, define confabulation. 13th question is define confabulation. 14th question, define psychosocial rehabilitation. 14th question, define psychosocial rehabilitation. 15th question, list the importance of family therapy in psychiatry. 15th question, list the importance of family therapy in psychiatry. 16th question, enlist the types of delusions. 16th question, enlist the types of delusions. 17th question, list down the disorders of perception. 17th question, list down the disorders of perception. 18th question, what is therapeutic communication? 18th question, what is therapeutic communication? 19th question, define thought block. 19th question, define thought block. 20th question, enumerate the classification of mental retardation. 20th question, enumerate the classification of mental retardation. So each question carries 2 marks. 10 into 2 is equal to 20 marks. There is no choice in brief answers. So we have posted many question paper related videos. You can watch our channel playlist BSc Nursing question papers for more question paper related videos. In the future, we will be separating BSc Nursing for first years, question papers for first years, question papers for second years, third years and fourth years, as per the request of the viewers to have a demarcation between the various years of BSc Nursing program. Hope this video is clear for you all. If you want answer key for this question paper, you can post it in comment section. If you like my video, please give me a thumbs up, share and subscribe to Science Easy Tech channel. My previous videos link I have given in suggested iCards, in card and description box. You can go and watch it. Thank you friends. Keep supporting to Science Easy Tech channel.